Nice balance.
Yo, we're about to fix the exhaust on this thing. I've never heard it. It's got some serious issues. We're gonna try our best, but this is what it sounds like right now. Alright, this is the owner of this whip. As you can see so far, this exhaust is split in half. You see this hole right here, it's kind of not very bright under here. But the exhaust is split. Both of the studs are still there. We're going to try and attach it with what's called a split flange. It looks like that with Jake's holding his hand. And you put two of those, one on either side. And hopefully we'll be able to put the nuts through and hold it together without removing these studs.
It's a go.
Alright, so we put the split flange in, but we're having an issue where the flange itself is kind of bending because of this stud. So on both sides we had this problem. We already cut the other side, and now we're going to use the Dremel again to cut this stud, and then hopefully it'll pull it together better because it won't be getting squeezed out by the stud.
You got this. Like, fuck. Like,
Alright, Jake just tightened up the bolts on the split flange. I'm going to show you what this looks like. So we dremeled out this side, got it out so we could tighten the bolts and nuts further without having the studs in the way. And on both sides it looks like this. On the other side we actually had to hand cut it out because the Dremel blade, basically the Dremel blade just messed up and we could no longer use it, so we hand cut out the other one. It looks pretty much the same on the other side, but basically this is the idea of the split flange, is that you have these two pieces, they're held together by two bolts, and it kind of simulates, or it gives it that clamping force you need if the hardware has corroded out. So we got the split flange in there, it's very tight, both the studs are gone, so it lines up nicely and looks like a secure, tight fit. We're about to hear what this old girl sounds like. We lowered her down.
she's back.
She's back, baby. Sounds fucking good.
That thing is
So before you heard it fucking screaming.
Now she's purring. This is old stuff.
Now she's purring. This is another Ben Spoolin video.
Yo.
With my boy Jake. This is a fucking Chevy Cobalt, not like it really matters. That's how to install a split flange, baby.
Yo.